We are back on track in a crowded day commute, commuting to my workplace. Today is Ramadan and crazy rush on the road. This BRT lines are going to be very nice. We have like 1, 2, 3-storied roads on top of each other going in different directions, and we're hoping that will ease the traffic jam because it will divert all the inter-district vehicles through these BRT lines so that it doesn't touch or doesn't get inside the city. Open road after quite some time. I'm gonna take the flyover, not the one down below, because it's completely jam-packed. This will save me a few minutes, I hope. I'm seriously hoping for it. We're back in Hattechil, this beautiful lakeside road drive. We really enjoy this all the time. Driving here is always a pleasure. সব সময় এটা একটা অন্যরকম একটা এক্সপেরিয়েন্স দেয় আপনাকে. Good job done by our Armed Forces Division. They actually constructed this road. We made a good progress, as I can see. Traffic down there is crazy. So I made a very good decision coming from this flyover. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a hack. যারা যারা গুলশানে ঢুকতে চান হাতিঝিল দিয়ে নিচের রাস্তাটা দিয়ে যে আড়ংয়ের সাইড থেকে যে রাস্তাটা বের হয়েছে, if you take that you're done. But আপনি যদি পুলিশ প্লাজার সাইডে চলে আসেন উপরের ফ্লাইওভারটা দিয়ে, তারপরে পুলিশ প্লাজার পিছন সাইড থেকে একটা রাস্তা গেছে যেটা দিয়ে আপনি আবার গুলশানে ঢুকতে পারবেন, which I am going to show you right now. So this is Police Plaza and that is on the left is Gulshan, but they will not allow you to go left. আপনার অটোমেটিকলি ডান দিকেই যেতে হবে. সো যখন আমরা ডান দিকে যাচ্ছি তখন that was a nice hump. All right, আমরা উত্তর বাড্ডার সাইড থেকে শার্প লেফট টার্ন নিব, যেখান দিয়ে ওইখান দিয়ে একটা ব্রিজ আছে, সেই ব্রিজটা দিয়ে আপনি আবার গুলশানাকে ঢুকতে পারবেন. This is the turn, sharp left. Careful not to nicely done. So we're going left and then we will reach Police Plaza and Gulshan 1. This is the bridge. That's a little hack that I just showed you. Look at the view, it's beautiful. So it always works for me. See, it took me about 5 minutes. Otherwise, it would have been like more than 20 to 30 minutes. So, a lot of time saved. I'm in Gulshan. We can go anywhere now. So that is how you avoid the traffic and get into Gulshan. Now we're gonna show you how to get out of Gulshan and reach the Dhanmondi instead of taking Mohakali. I would always suggest that Hatir Jhil dhore jaite, because that will save you a lot of time, to be honest. Okay, let's try that. So as you can see, there is a traffic on the first underpass. You have to use the overpass so that you don't fall victim of this traffic, which goes all the way to that side of the road as well. But we're gonna take the one that takes us up to avoid the traffic congestion. These trees are magnificent. Look at them. That's a sharp turn. You have to watch out. And turn left. Don't miss this turn. Then everything, you have to go a long way on the other side. So don't miss this turn. Okay, so you will see that is Bow Bajar and Tejgao. You turn from here on the left. This will take you to BG Press, and then you can get on top of the Ranks flyover, and that's it. If you have taken Mohakali to go and reach Dhanmondi, the time that took me to come all this way, you could have reached up to Brack University at the best, and then another half an hour to reach Gonoshastho. That doesn't make sense. So I always take this road, and from here it will take about 15 to 20 minutes to reach Dhanmondi or Mohammadpur. All right, have a good day, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.